Hello and welcome to my kitchen. In this video, I'm going to show you how I make my tandoori chicken marinade. It's got a couple of special ingredients that you may not think of putting into your marinade, but it makes the chicken extra special. So let's get cooking. Here I have 2 kg of chicken legs and thighs that had the skin and the bone in. The bone is still in there, but the skin has been removed. And for the thigh, I've split it into a small boneless part and the boned part and made slits across all the pieces lengthwise like this. You'll need 200 ml of yogurt. Here I'm using Greek yogurt, but plain yogurt is fine as well. You'll need 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic chili paste, and mine looks yellow because I have some fresh turmeric ground in there too. 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of garam masala, a half a teaspoon of roasted and ground cumin seeds, a half a teaspoon of dried fenugreek leaves. Now this is available in any Indian store, and it's also called kasturi methi, a half a teaspoon of mint sauce. And I like my tandoori chicken colored, so I have some orange food coloring powder here and some red food coloring powder here. I use both of them in my chicken. 1 tablespoon of malt vinegar, 1 tablespoon of oil. I'm using sunflower oil, and a little freshly ground pepper. In a large mixing bowl, whisk all the marinade ingredients together. Now once you've mixed the marinade, go ahead and taste it. If you need to add any more salt or garam masala or vinegar or oil or whatever, do it now, because once the chicken's in, you cannot taste it or change it. Now, before you get your hands dirty, make sure you have a Ziploc bag or a zip-tight bag available, because we're going to marinate the chicken in here overnight. Go ahead and open it and turn the top of the bag inside out. And make sure you have good access to put the marinated chicken in here so that it's ready to go. And I like to use a latex glove, a disposable glove, when I'm mixing the chicken in, because otherwise my hand smells of the marinade for the rest of the day. So once your marinade is done, go ahead and add the chicken and mix it in really well. Make sure you get into all these grooves in the chicken. All right, so you can see how dirty my hands are now, and I don't want to be fidgeting with the bag right now, so it's good that I have this ready to go. Go ahead and put all your chicken in here and put all the marinade in there as well. Then go ahead and close the bag and remove as much air as you can. Now I love using these bags because you can mix the chicken in here. It will be in the fridge and you can go in a couple of hours later and just mix it all up, just to make sure that the marinade is getting everywhere. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to pop this chicken in the fridge and let it marinate overnight, and I'll cook it tomorrow. Now it's up to you how you cook it. You can put it on the grill or you can stick it in the oven, but what I like to do is just baste it with some melted butter or some melted ghee while it's cooking, and that just makes it taste extra special. Now if you're not ready to cook it, you can pop this in the freezer as well and freeze it for about a month, I would say, because the flavors do get strong. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and do join me again, because I'll have lots and lots of different types of recipes for you to check out. So I'll see you again soon for some more cooking inspiration.